Hey, Michelle Kretschmar here, and I know that there are parents out there who are wondering if their teen should be taking the SAT or the ACT. Well, some of us are old enough to remember a time when some colleges wouldn't accept one test or the other. That's not the case anymore. All colleges accept the ACT or the SAT without any preference. So it really doesn't matter to the college which test your student takes, but it can matter very much to the student. That's because while the two tests are becoming more like each other, for example, the SAT no longer penalizes wrong answers, there are still enough differences between the two tests such that a student might do significantly better on one test than on the other. Now, there are a lot of places on the web that do an excellent job explaining the differences between the two tests, so I'm not going to bother doing that here. But instead of spending time researching, trying to figure out which test would be better for your teen, it's probably much more simple just to have them take a practice test from each company. Okay, both the ACT and the SAT offer free practice tests. Now, the one thing that you do need to take into consideration, is for students who are looking to become National Merit Scholars, they will have to take the SAT their senior year in order to qualify. So before you start wigging out about the possibility of your student missing out on becoming a National Merit Scholar, I would suggest you do a little bit more research into National Merit Scholarships and see how much value they are for your family. Plus, you can always just take both tests. The other thing you need to be aware of is that some colleges will use a component of the test to place students out of introductory courses, and they'll actually give them credit and grades. So one college may actually use the ACT math subscore, whereas they won't use the SAT math score to place students out of the introductory classes. Now, since this is going to vary by college, I suggest you just look at your state flagship university and see what their policy is, and then take that into consideration.